Okay, for this next video, I have to say I stole it from my daughter's YouTube channel. But people have been asking me what would I look like as a woman, and specifically what would I look like as my daughter. So for all of you out there that are curious about this, here you go.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a turn my dad into me challenge. I don't know if that's a challenge. It should be fun, and let's get into it. Okay, so I think we're gonna start off with hair. So we're gonna
Wait, I just put product in it.
Okay.
No.
Okay, we got parted like my hair's parted in the middle.
Could be going out. I can't. I just took a shower.
Okay, I think that's looking a lot like me. On to the next thing. Okay, and now we're gonna do some makeup, even though I only wear like mascara and highlighter, but we're trying to make him me. So I'm gonna use this makeup that one of my friends gave me a lot of, and we'll see if we can make him Moa. So, okay, now, let's see, let's start off with a nice base of primer. I don't know what I'm doing. This isn't the correct brush, but it's okay.
What, you're decomposing?
Okay, perfect.
Oh.
Let's get that out of there. Okay, next we'll be moving on to foundation. Wait, do you do foundation first or concealer?
She was very famous in me. Well, I have my own video I have to do. A business video.
You can put your makeup.
So maybe this will help for under my eyes and whatnot.
Foundation doesn't go under your eyes, that's concealer.
No, but I just...
If I know anything.
Do you know anything?
No. So this video is pretty much just me struggling to...
Well, isn't it a tutorial to teach people how...
No, I'm not teaching them how to become me.
No, but...
Unless you want
I thought you teach how to wear makeup.
No, I don't know how to do that.
Oh, I think I'm allergic to this.
That's good.
Okay, I swear I wasn't mean to my dad, you know, we just had like a fun thing going, right?
Eyes starting to itch.
Yeah.
Oh!
You turn your head more. Okay. Stop scrunching! Okay, so now we're gonna add some concealer real quick. Okay.
Look, why you...
Turn it goes under your eyes.
Yeah, but use that blotchy thing.
Turn! Please. I think it's up here somewhere. It's so bad.
Don't snot on me.
Snot on you.
You are.
Okay. So you can see this is going pretty well. I'm a professional at makeup, clearly. Now we are gonna use some powder, which I kind of know how to do.
I'm already looking pretty.
Of course you are.
But it's the lights.
Oh, Jesus.
Horsehair on the...
Oh, I'm not gonna do, yeah, I'm not doing this correctly. You do like, you know, let's just move on to contour.
If someone knows what I just said, comment down below.
We're moving on to contour, but we're gonna use bronzer to do it. I don't know what you're supposed to use for a contour brush. I don't know. Okay, so let's do this one. I'm sorry, beauty gurus out there.
Can I get a beauty mark? Is that possible?
Let's do some nose contour.
I did live in Europe.
I can't get over your eye. I'm just gonna bronze all of that up.
I feel like a clown.
Now we're gonna open this Tarte highlight.
This gives me acne, that's gonna be a problem.
Using this highlighter, it's a Tarte Exposed highlight. I don't know. I mean, I'm not a professional or anything, but I mean.
I should place one on TV.
Anyways, I'm gonna take this brush. Okay, now we're gonna. Can you go like? There's your cheekbones. She's glowing. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I don't know anything about eyes stuff. Where's my palette?
No, you don't know anything about eyes. I don't want stuff near my eyes.
I'm really good at doing eyes. If you didn't know. I'm like one of the most professional out of my family. We're just saying something. Okay, I'm gonna use this foundation.
She's got two brothers, so.
Okay.
What the heck is this? Can you show what this is?
It's the nude palette. Okay. Now we're gonna.
I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty.
Okay, calm down. It's actually, it's not looking so bad. Okay, so I don't really understand how this looks like me. I just decided to do his makeup for this one, but his clothes.
I look like Cleopatra. You know what Cleopatra is?
Of course I know what Cleopatra is.
Cleopatra. Not Cleopatra, not RuPaul's friend.
Okay. Sorry, my palette was just still open and it just gave me hype. Now we're gonna do the lip. So we're gonna, where's my other lip?
The lip?
Okay. How dark are your lips? Okay, they're not dark. So we're gonna start off with this. This kind of color. Okay. I can't do this. It's too hard. I suck at lips. My dad keeps taking photos.
I look like a sad clown.
Insert photo.
Yeah.
Now welcoming Tolly Chase.
Hello. I'm Tolly, and welcome to Tolly Chase's channel. Twinsies?
Oh, that is the look. That is it. Let me put my hair up. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. It was really fun for me. I know. Your dad? And
It's got smell on it.
And I hope you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And
You better frickin' like and subscribe after this. You tell me to calm down? I refuse. Nobody puts baby in the corner, that's all I'm saying.
so have a great day.
Gucci.
So I hope you enjoyed what you saw. It was quite traumatizing for me, as you could see. And just to help me feel better about myself, if for nothing else, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm doing the best I can. If you want to talk to me directly about this or anything else, you can send me an email to andy@askandyanything.info. Thanks.